Hey there, I'm Creddy, your friendly neighborhood credit score. I've seen better days, but that's about to change. Meet Sarah. She's got big dreams, but her credit, not so big.
Another rejection letter. Will I ever get my business off the ground?
But wait, what's this, an email about Turn Your Life Around Tuesdays?
Free webinar on credit repair, consumer credit arbitration, business startup structuring and business funding. I need that in my life.
Sarah learns about credit repair, private arbitration, and business structure. Watch me grow as she applies her new knowledge.
Wow, I feel stronger already.
From $50,000 to $10 million in funding possibilities, my dreams are within reach.
Want to turn your life around? Join the next webinar. Visit www.godoffimagination.com or call 917-336-0517. Only 100 spots available.
Thank you for watching. This presentation is due to a partnership collaboration between Self-Made Freedom, LLC and Money Morning, LLC, ready to take the next step toward your dreams. For more information or any questions, email us at support@godoffimagination.com. Don't wait. Register now at www.godoffimagination.com before all 100 seats are gone. At Self-Made Freedom, LLC. We don't just fix credit, we fix lives. So turn your life around this Tuesday with our free webinar by registering today. Your future is waiting. Make it happen.